guys, I just wanted to quickly update you guys on the greenhouse. Sorry, I'm used to the camera being on this side. It is going to be really cold tonight, so I did have some of these plants outside because we had been having such nice weather and it wasn't getting cold to the point where things would be damaged. So I was leaving them outside, but tonight it's going to get down to like 28, and I don't want my plants to die. This greenhouse right now is at 70 degrees, so I'm closing it up and we're going to keep that closed until tomorrow. And I'm gonna get this frost blanket that I just bought. Went to Menards the other day and it was 10 bucks. So I am gonna go ahead and put this frost blanket on my greens. Frost blanket I got. It's 5 feet by 30 feet. So it's like 5 feet wide. My row can be 5 feet wide and up to 30 feet long. I don't believe it came with any kind of hoops or anything like that, or any kind of a structure. This is what it looks like in the box. But we're gonna get this put onto the greens. Oh, and it does come with 10 staples, so that's cool. So let me get this out of this box and then I'll show you how I'm gonna set it up. Okay, this is the staples that it comes with. Looks like it's about 2 inches, I don't know, something like that. Pretty much tucked it behind the wood that I have up against the back there. I just kind of tucked it behind there. Guess I'll put the staples on the front end, huh? Looks like I can just push them right in with my foot. I can go all the way from here, all the way down this whole fence, all the way up to the carrots. Carrots will not need any protection, they'll be fine. But I'll probably put like the totes over this stuff here, and maybe this stuff over here too. Not bad for 10 bucks.